show you the second part of my Dimensions and Mill Hill kits. I will go from biggest to smallest, beginning from Dimensions, and then turning to Mill Hill. The first kit is Garden Gate by Dimensions. It is mostly done with half stitch, and the white part of the picture is not stitched at all. So this is considered to be one of the easiest Dimensions kits. The next kit is called Sweetheart's Gate. It is very similar to the previous one. The most thing I like here is how this design shows the daylight. It is hard and quite rare to make this. Very well done. Next we have a kit called Garden Reflections. Very beautiful scenery, quite unusual. We can see a fountain, a bird sitting on it, some grass, and a lot of garden flowers. As I can see from the preview, there is a lot of backstitch in this picture, so it can take you quite a time. Now we have a kit called Be a Light. Very famous Dimensions kit. The picture shows 3 glass jars at night with burning candles inside of each. It gives me some romantic and mystical vibes. The size is not big, 12 to 17 centimeters, and it has dark navy 14 count Aida. The next Dimensions kit is Enchanting Cottage. This one is from Gold Petite series as well. Just a cozy cottage picture, reminding me of cottage from fairy tales. I've seen that many people think it is on black fabric, but in fact, the fabric color is ivory, and the black background is just stitched with black floss. The next kit is called Meowy Christmas, and it has the same size as the previous ones, 12 to 17 centimeters. We can see 3 cats, black, white, and brown, lying under the Christmas tree, among the gifts. Very Christmas vibes. From now on, I will be showing you my Mill Hill kits. This is Cindy Kane, from Mouse Trilogy series. Here you can see a sleeping mouse, leaning to the Cindy Kane, and the starry night above them. The size is 12 to 12 centimeters. It contains DMC flosses and beads. Another word from this series. Mac cheese. The mouse here is sitting on a table and eating a big piece of cheese. The cheese itself is packed like a Christmas gift. And the mouse has a Santa Claus hat. The size is the same, 12 to 12 centimeters. The last kit from Mouse Trilogy series, Patsy Pine. The mouse here is giving us a broad smile, hiding inside a Christmas wreath. I really like this red bow here, and the smiling face is very cute. Looks like real. Here is the whole set, all 3 mouses together. Now move on to the next kit, the set of 4 fairies by Mill Hill. And the first one is Needlework Fairy. The fairy is sitting on top of the skein and holding the threads. Very elegant and beautiful. The second kit from this series is Yarn Fairy. Here we see the fairy sitting on top of the yarn and holding a kitty on her shoulder. The third and the last kit in this series today, Cupcake Fairy. This kit is considered to be rare. The fairy is sitting on top of a cupcake and holding a cherry in her hands. I have collected the whole series, but the fourth fairy is already showed in my first collections video. Now I will show you two kits with swans. And the first one is black swans. Two black swans, cuddling with each other in pond, with leaves and a flower beneath them. The second kit is white swans. They are very similar to the previous one, but look at another side. I think they will look stunning in pair. Two swan couples looking at each other. The next kit is Baby Jesus. The size is 11 to 11 centimeters. Here we can see Baby Jesus at birth, surrounded by a bull and a lamb. It is a series about Holy Family. There are kits with Mary and Joseph too. I do not own them yet, but they are my goal. And we move on to the kit called Be Thankful. The kit is about Thanksgiving. I bought it because, unlike other holidays, there are very few kits on this topic. In the center of this work, a cooked turkey is depicted, surrounded by rich variety of fruit and vegetables. Very rich picture. The next kit is Happy Skeleton, and this is for Halloween. The Happy Skeleton is sitting at the table and playing with smiling pumpkins. Very fun and not scary. This kit is called Classic Bathtub. It has been in my wish list since long ago, and finally I've got it. Pink bathtub and pink curtains. The kit is so different from all the others, and it gives me a warm feeling. Now we have another small Mill Hill kit, vintage bicycle. The bicycle has a big front circle and a small back circle. I had such bicycle when I was 5 years old, so this brings me sweet memories of the childhood. These small kits are supposed to be magnets. The magnet is included here. This kit is called Blue Sneaker. There are two in the series, blue and pink sneakers. But I only have the blue for now. It reminds me a shoe of Cinderella, but a sneaker. The next one is Fallback. We can see here a stopwatch, counting the time, reflecting that it is time for autumn. The cold, starry night, and withered autumn leaves on the ground. Magical. Now you see one of the most beautiful small kits, as for me, rainy weather. A mouse strolling the street during the rain, and covering itself with a mushroom umbrella. Autumn magic. Another kit from the Autumn series. Webster, a spider weaving its web. Looks very real, simple but gorgeous. A magnet here is also included. Another small Mill Hill kit, pumpkin delivery. Just a truck, carrying a huge pumpkin to someone's home. Reminds us that autumn is also the time to harvest. Let's take a look at these magnificent autumn series all together. And we move on to another kits. It's turn of winter topic. The first one is such a sucking candy, which most of us tasted in the childhood. Another winter series kit is Santa Cruz. Santa here is depicted in Hawaiian t-shirt and in flip-flops. It's a summer Santa Claus, probably from Australia. Very fun. Let's take a look on two kits from this series I have. next series is called Snow Fun, and the first kit is Cooking Snowman. A funny snowman with a spoon is tasting the soup, made probably from the snow. Fascinating. In this kit, called Trimming Snowman, is depicted a snowman decorating a Christmas tree. Look how cute it is. In the next Snowman series kit, we can see a snowman who pulls a toy soldier out of the gift box. These kits are Christmas ornaments, not magnets. Let's take a look at all of them at once. Another Christmas magnet, Woodland Tree. A little Christmas tree with garlands and covered in snow. You can decorate your room with this. In the next kit, Christmas Nest. Here we see a red cardinal, a winter bird, sitting in its nest, which resembles a Christmas wreath. The last kit today is called Love Gardening. We can see here flowers, insects, and seeds combined all together in a form of heart. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.